Hello everyone, in today's video we will do assembly of IKEA cabinet section. Base cabinet 15, 24, 30 inches, article number 002655397. How long it will take to assemble it from the beginning? Alright, the tools I'm going to use, it's a knife to open the box. Impact driver with a PZ bit in it, hammer, screwdriver, square and pin nailer. In box we have instruction. Here is the hardware box. You will find all the screws and brackets and nails in here. We'll put the gables with a groove outside like that. This is floor piece. Floor piece goes separately. It's just filler, then rails, then another gable and backing piece. So I know what the force of my drill. Use this video just to get an idea how pieces look like and what inside, and get familiar with the process, so you can use this video as additional material to assemble cabinets. Then put dowels. Okay, put the screws first, and they want us to attach brackets right away, so we'll do the according to IKEA instructions. One here and another one here. Use to screw those brackets, or you can use both this video and instructions just to be more confident in doing so. We'll take a floor and match the groove on the floor with the groove on the gable. Align all the holes. Put those nuts into the floor to correspondent holes, and then use the screwdriver and rotate clockwise 180 degrees. Put it back in here and line up all the holes and all the grooves. Okay, and rotate each one 180 degree clockwise to lock pieces together. Then you have special plastic pieces to hold the backing. Another click, second in place. Then align those holders with backing and align the rail with the holes. Screw that together. And I use square not from outside, because here it's relief a little bit, but inside. So when square inside, you can check if it's square. Now installation is done. Now we have 14 minutes to assemble base cabinet. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment.